TES MSET 2020 College Predictor. If I get 25,000 rank in TES MSET 2020, which college I will get? So in this video I am going to show you how to predict your TES MSET 2020 college before counseling. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So for predicting your TES MSET 2020 respective colleges, there is a website link is available in the description. If you click on that link, you will be redirected to this official website. Here you can see the TES MSET 2020 College Predictor. So here you should have to fill some details. So first one, you should have to enter your TES MSET 2020 rank. For example, I am entering here 50,000. Redirect to this official website. Here you can see the TES MSET 2020 College Predictor. So here you should have to fill some details. So first one, you should have to enter your TES MSET 2020 rank. For example, I am entering here 50,000. This rank you can find in your TES MSET 2020 rank card. After entering your rank, you should have to select your local or non-local status. So here you can find AU, OU and SUV region, and unreserved for all non-local students. Especially Andhra Pradesh student can select this. So I am selecting OU region. So after selecting your region, you should have to select your seat type in TES MSET 2020 counseling. So here you can find the options: disability quota seats, minority religion seats, open, BC, SC or ST caste, or special reservation seat. So for example, I am selecting here open or BC or SC or ST caste reservation. So after selecting this, you should have to select your caste group. So here I am selecting backward classes, means BCE, BCD, BCB comes in backward classes. So I am selecting here BC. So after selecting here, you should have to select your subcaste. So here you can find BCA, BCB, BCC, BCD, BCE. So I am selecting here BCE. So after selecting this, you should have to select your gender, male or female. So I am selecting here. So after selecting these details, you should have to click on this button, predict my college. Yes. So once you click on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Here you should have to create your account. You can create your account with the help of your Gmail ID or by entering all these details. So I am here logging with the Gmail ID. Continue with Google. So I had continued with the Google account. So here you should have to skip this part. So here you can see that for the rank which I have entered, which was 50,000, top you can see that summary of your prediction. Your chances are good in 124 colleges. You will find it tough in 5 colleges. It means that you can easily get seat in 124 colleges, and there are only tough chances of 5 colleges to get a seat. So here you can see that JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad. BTech and MTech, Mechanical Engineering, Advanced Manufacturing Systems, there are good chances for you to get seat. BTech in Metallurgical Engineering, there are tough chances to me to get a seat in JNTU, Hyderabad. BTech in Chemical Engineering, there are tough chances to me to get a seat in JNTU, Hyderabad. Now we will go for the next college. The next college is CBIT. So in CBIT, for branch biotechnology, there are good chances for me to get a seat, and for production engineering, there are good chances for me to get a seat, and for chemical engineering, there are tough chances for me. Then we will go for the next college, which is VNR, Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology. So in VNR VJIT, in electronics and instrumentation engineering, there are good chances, and in automobile engineering, there are good chances. So like this, you can check your TES MSET 2020 expected college before counseling. So make sure to follow these steps completely without skipping any part, and calculate your or predict your TES MSET 2020 college. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and hit the like button. And make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.